Salon Unlisted. Today we're going to do Halloween looks with HairTreats extensions.
First, use the HairTreats practitioner to straighten your hair. Next, you are going to apply black HairTreats extensions throughout your head. In the middle and tie 2 pigtails on either side of the part. Take about a 1/4 inch of the tied hair and wrap it around the elastic. Now for the cat ears. Grab the rest of the hair and place 2 bobby pins about 1 inch away from the elastic. This will determine the points of your cat ears. As you wrap the hair around the elastic, place bobby pins for a firm hold. Spray with hairspray to set in place. Add makeup and you're done.